a married woman like yourself sleeping outside your matrimonial home. I said, where on earth were your hands coming from?
Don't slap me again, oh. I'm just respecting you because you're a man. Don't hit me. Don't you dare raise your hands on me again.
I said, where?
Leave me alone. What is it? Eh? What is it?
I'll kill you today.
Sin! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Oh. This man! Look at this man! Look at this man! Hey, wait! Leave me alone! Shameless man! Shameless man! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
I said...
Ah!
Where are you coming from?
Leave me alone! I'll put your eye! I'll put your eye!
What nonsense? What nonsense? How can trained officers like you let a woman escape from your custody? Duru!
I wasn't around, sir. I just got to the station now.
Sir, she was writing her statement when you called. And on my return, she was gone. But the constables are after her, sir.
Can you hear yourself? You must apprehend that woman. If you do not apprehend that woman, I will have your heads. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now get out of my office. Get out of my office now.
Sorry, sir.
I dedicate all my life to fighting crime in this community, and I'm working with incompetent police officers.
You never talk with you, fine.
I will tell you that I am an honest man.
Leave my waist.
I sold breast for Port Harcourt and I learned apprentice for
Leave
Lagos.
my waist. You never talk with you, fine. Stop with your eye.
If you
Leave
try,
my waist.
If you try it, I will.
You don't want leave my waist. Tim!
This is what I want. This is what I
I'm going to show you. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Landlady, leave me.
Always beating
Leave me
women. Mama is not beating
Mama,
her. I thought you were serious.
You're supporting her.
There's nothing
to sleep on that husband's
How
house.
can you beat up your wife?
Where is it? Come here.
Yes, sir.
Which way did she go?
I guess...
Come, stand over here.
Stand
over here.
Yes, sir.
Which way did she go?
Sir, I guess she ran through Kanwankwo Road.
You guess. Is your head shaking?
No, sir.
Up till now, you're still guessing.
Sorry, sir.
Did she give you money?
No, sir. God forbid, sir.
God forbid, sir. Look, I am not comfortable working with you anymore. Do you hear that? I am not comfortable working with you anymore. Duru, I left my gun on my table. Go and get it for me. I'll start the car.
Yes, sir.
You.
Sir.
You.
Sir.
I'm going to deal with you and that stupid woman. Thank you. Let's go. Mama!
Come on, fight!
You're looking...
Mama! Look at this man! Eh?
What you want to
Look at this man! Look at you! Leave my man alone! Come on, leave my man alone! Away! Mama! Away! Mama, sorry!
I will deal with you in this house!
No!
I'm leaving you. You're supporting evil. You're supporting evil. You will see. Come back to this house again, and I will show you that I am the man. And I will show you that I am the man.
What did you do to Mama?
You want to start again?
What did you?
You want to start
Mama,
again?
Okay. Mama, don't.
Hey! This is my house.
Hey! Look at this. It's my house. I'll feed you with it. It is my house.
Mama! Mama! What?
Come on, fight, Junior! Half man like you. Kelly, when they Junior! Kelly, come on, fight. Come on. Catch him!
You want to be a man? Okay, all of you in this place. Even you. Let me see who wants to come and try me. Let me see who wants to try you. Push my mother! You push my mother down! You a bastard!
Mama, let's go Nigerian film! Go to Nigerian film! Fight your fellow man! Come back and fight your man! Come back! Fight your fellow man! Mugu, Mama, Ndo, Mama. Don't worry. Your son will deal with him. Don't worry, Mama.
Hey, this boy. He has
Mama,
no respect for
Mama,
me.
don't, because.
Chineke, this boy bamstalled. Oh, what happened? He's a foolish boy.
Take your hand, I think.
You will see. You're mad. I don't know, but my son Kenny will deal with you. He carried knife.
Mrs. Diana thinks life is a game, so she double dates. Gambles with the thoughts, forgetting that life is a seed, and whatever you sow, you will definitely reap. Take a good look at the mirror. The person you are seeing is your problem, so stop complaining. My mom thinks life is a double game, gambling with the breath and thoughts of a faculty. Sweet mom.
Very low. Very, very low. I have never missed a target I shot. Look at you. A beautiful married woman cheating on her husband. And out of stupid jealousy, you killed your boyfriend. Shut up! Shut up! You killed your boyfriend, you hid his body, and then you were apprehended by the police. And you bribed my men to shut up! You bribed my man to let you escape from custody. Now that's the worst thing you ever did in your life.
I didn't kill anybody, I swear. I swear on my life, I didn't kill anybody. I didn't try to bribe anybody. I been set up. I been set up. Please.
Shut up!
Let me go, please.
Lock her up.
In which sense, sir?
Stand up. Put her in cell 7.
Cell 7. We have 7 criminals there already. They might rape her or even kill her at once.
She's worse than them.
Ah!
Shut up!
Please.
Look at you. A young woman like you. Your husband is a respectable gentleman, working hard to put food on your table and make life better for you. Now look at the embarrassment you are causing yourself and your husband. I'm so sorry for you. You will face the full wrath of the law. Take her away from me.
I didn't kill anybody.
Take her away from me.
I swear. I swear, but I didn't.
Look at her. A young married woman who should sit down at home and take care of her husband, confronting the whole community. I shall fight all of you. I shall bring all of you to book. Murderer.
Mama, sorry. Sorry. You'll be alright, you'll be alright.
It's okay. Man, Biakwa Kelly, who gave you that gun? How can you be running around town with a gun in your car? And I know you don't have a license. What if the police people catch you? If they catch you, you're going down.
Mama, they never born the policeman who will catch me. Arrest me for what? Mama, forget that one. No.
I hope you did not kill him.
Mama, what? Are you not a policewoman? Or you want to join them?
Did you kill him?
If he survive it, that is lucky. I never shoot for him to survive. I shoot for him to die.
So what do you
I wonder what you're even doing with that stupid man, that bastard.
Oh,
you better leave that idiot.
Oh, I don't know why you cannot divorce that man.
Mama, it's not
Every day, quarrel, fight. Okay, fella, just see me.
It's not like I cannot divorce him.
No,
but I'm working on it. Is it not the people that said for better, for worse?
Asking for better, for worse. Be waiting for better, for worse. But just go and dig your grave and go and pay for your posters to be printed and kept standby.
Mama, stop. There's no grave anywhere or burial. I will not die. I will leave him, but I just don't want to leave him now so the whole world won't say I left him because he's broke.
Who cares? Who cares? You don't live your life for anybody. You don't. Forget about that stupid man.
My own is that guy. I'm waiting for him. I will deal with him personally. Personally, I will deal with him.
Life is sweet you now. In a life is sweet you now.
Pianwakem, the way you're looking at me, it's obvious you have come here to ask me for money. Because I don't have any money. Just let me be.
Mama, be calming down now. Your blood too hot now. I no go look my mama again. I no go look my mama again. Mama, you supposed to know say street dey hot now. On a very good day, make you just find me something, make I hold something. If I chop your money now, na bad thing. I no be your son. I no be your son. Mama, please find me at least 200k. Make I take whole body.
200 guinea.
200k now.
200k. Hey, nah. It's quite normal. 200k in this hard time. What do you mean 200k? Where do you expect me to get 200k from? It is only when you're broke that you remember your mother. Please, I don't have any 200k for anybody.
Go down now. But I do remember you now, 247 now. I know they ring you. Sometimes they ring you now. I know they ring you. Mama, I just take whole body now. You get that street there now.
Leave the street matter. Let me ask you one simple question. When was the last time you bought me a gift? When? You can't even answer. Once you make money, you disappear like a prodigal child. Biaba and Asim will give you 200,000. You're not serious, safe.
Mama, find me something now. Shake body now. You can try and understand now. Any way you give me now, make I just use our whole body now.
You know what? There's no point disturbing me. I will find you maybe 50. Maybe. I say maybe, oh. There's no assurance. Maybe. I'll find you 50k.
Mama, this one a discharge, you won't discharge me. This one a correct discharge, now you won't give me. Hey, Mama, make you understand now. Why they tight fit everything? Mama, now you they control all this yard where they here.
So?
Now you they control them all. I know they even disturb you. You know what's up now? Under first up. You supposed to know now. Okay, find me 20k. Make I hold for hand first. Find me 20k. You do they push things, oh.
No, see big boy like you. See big boy like you. Every time
20k now.
You go there find money.
Find me 20k.
Now hard work, bring the yard. Work hard and anyway I will give you 20k. For food.
I know they disturb you still. As they do, this money we won't bring, no be only that money they there. My spirit they tell me say that money where they bring, no be only and they there. And they hear them, they shakam. Like say na new money you won't bring out, Mama.
Take, close mouth, take. You will tell on why you're here.
See, I no talk am.
You can take this and go now. Biko, let me rest. Any other thing? No.
No now. Mama, make you try hustle, transfer the 200k. Try hustle, transfer the 200k. Thank you. God bless you, Mama.
Wait, you're thanking me in advance for money where you never see.
But Mama, you know I know they disturb you under first saw.
Mba, until I die. My friend, take this and go.
I know they disturb you. If you say they worry you now, another thing entirely. But this one, I know they disturb you. I will leave you. You're just leave your life.
Empty vessel. People go see you think say you get something. Even with that face cap, now for my room you still am. You know the shame,
Sir, I have been thinking, sir. If you step down from the office, it will take many years to find another general like you. The most amazing thing that happened to me is working with you. I see a fearless, dedicated, strong-hearted, and above them all, a courageous being in a mortal man.
Dude, how old are you?
I'm just 35 years, sir.
Are you married?
Yes, but I'm just 2 years in this marriage game.
Do you love your family?
Yes. I celebrate my wife and my son. My wife is my only treasure. So is my son.
Now listen to me. Before you build a house, you must sit down and check its costs. It takes a sacrificed life to make an impact in our world. People will remember you for two things: the problems you solved for them and the problems you caused for them. Being a police officer is beyond wearing a police uniform and carrying a gun. But most police officers don't know that. Duru, being a police officer is a sacrifice to our people.
I must confess, sir. I don't know how you will see it, but it's the truth. You are my mentor. Your commitment and passion to this job is quite amazing. You have not been caught in any evil act or bad deal. Yet you are one of the oldest surviving policemen in this zone.
To make an impact in this our world, you have to first discover yourself and be yourself. Do not imitate anybody, but rather learn from their mistakes and exploits. Burn every bridge that will bring you to compromise. And always remember you must leave your comfort zone and stay away from miscreants.
Sir, Can you break it little? Just break it down a little for me so that I can understand.
When I took up this job and decided to dedicate my life to cleaning crime from this region, I made the biggest decision of my life. I sent my pregnant wife away so that the hoodlums I am trying to apprehend will not attack them. Sometimes I feel bad about the decision I made. But for you to make an impact, there is a price to pay. I shall retire in a few weeks and I will go and look for them. I just hope they will forgive me.
Sir, you are a really officer. It's not everybody will do what you did. Even me, I don't think I can do that. Yes.
Duru, I am the only senior police officer who does not sit in the office. I am always on the field. I have received over 200 awards for jobs I did in this region and beyond. That is very good, isn't it? But I failed. I failed as a family man. I failed my son as a father. And I failed my lovely wife as a husband. When I retire, I will go and look for them. But I hope they will forgive me. I pray they forgive me.
But, sir, do you know where they are?
Yes. They're in this town. Though I left them in Lagos before I came over here. But after she had my son, she came to this town. Dude, I don't even know what my son looks like. In a few weeks' time, I shall retire and I will definitely go look for them. I just hope they forgive me. I pray they forgive me.
Sir, your phone, sir. Your phone.
Hello? Hello? Where? Alright, I'm with Duru. We're on our way. Duru, let's go, let's go. There's a problem somewhere. Let's go.
You have to repent. You have to repent. You have to change. You have to repent before it's too late. Before it's too late.
I'll be back soon.
Dr. David.
Yes, please.
You have to wait for me outside. I have work to do.
Good evening. We have to go outside.
It's okay, Mommy. We are waiting outside. We're not leaving you, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Now listen to me. You're the one keeping yourself here. You need to give me your statement. Do you understand? Look at you. You have a lovely daughter and a nice husband, and yet your legs are still out there. What has gotten over you? Now give me your statement. I'll speak up. Speak!
It's true, I have a beautiful home. On that fateful day, I was rushing to pick my daughter from school, and then I heard a car crash. I was unconscious, and I didn't have any vision of what was going on or where I was. And I woke up in Kelly's room.
Be careful, mind yourself in this world. Be careful, because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Your choice and action matter so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I'm an enemy, you check it the way of my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in everyone.
Kelly? Is that really you?
It's me.
What is happening? Where is this place? What am I doing? How did you...
Wait. See.
Oh, my head.
Okay, relax yourself. I'll get you.
Kelly, what is going on here? I don't want it. I want to...
Calm down.
How did I end up here?
Okay, you had an issue with others Okada riders, and then they beat you up. I came to save you, so I brought you here.
Oh. So, where is this place? Your house?
Yeah, this is my house.
Where did you even resurface from? Do you live in...
Just calm down, my dear. Calm down. Right?
Oh my God, my daughter. What time is it? Shoot, I'm supposed to be in my daughter's school by now. Where is my car, Kelly?
Your car key is right inside your bag.
What?
You're still my strawberry.
Excuse you?
I still love you.
I'm not sure I can say the same about you.
Oh, okay, wait. It's my card.
Your choice and action matter so much in your life. Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I'm an enemy, you check it the way of my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in
Why you dey look me? I won't pass. Excuse me, sir.
Wait. Where are you going dressed up like a cheap slut? Konye bido si wa kuno for where are you going to? Anyway, that's by the way. Where is my food?
Jello. Isn't this my designer handbag? Or my shoe? Or this dress that I bought with a lot of money that you are calling cheap? Which one? You know, me, I don't like to shout though. You are looking for my trouble too much in this house, oh. And you know that I'm not a troublesome woman, oh. Leave me alone. Okay, now that you are asking me for food, Biko husband man, did you give me any money to prepare food? Did you give me shishi to prepare food for you in this house? Shebi, your mates are outside. Your mates, they're outside the hustle. Some of them are even working in respectable offices. But you're seated at home, playing video game. Video game where you know they win. Even the video game suppose don't tire for you. You're looking for my trouble, oh. You're looking for my trouble in this house, oh. You're looking for my trouble, oh.
You know what? It's not your fault. It's not your fault. But let me tell you something. I will shock you. I will shock you.
You will shock me.
Yes, I go shock you. It go clear for your eyes. Because you say, as I dey here, they play my game, JJ. Now you just they prompt waiting there inside me, make I begin from it.
You go shock me as waiting. You will shock me as a transformer, as high tension, naked wire, NEPA pole. Which one?
Call it transformer. Even call it high tension, but I will shock you.
Come on for road, my pass. Don't shock yourself, finish. One can shock me.
Can you imagine a woman I made what she is today? But no problem, I will shock you. Go and come back. What kind of life is this?
Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in me, you check it the way of my greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a book, because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share it. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share it. Whatever you sow, you share it. Whatever you sow, you share it.
So what's up with you?
I'm okay. Why you no answer me since?
Nothing.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. That's... You know, you haven't really cleared the air about this, your cousin with me. Clearly. What did they play?
Somebody's jealous. Well, have this.
You put some more portion in it.
Don't be
This is good.
So, that's the assignment. He'll be in his hotel room, and I've booked a room very close to his own room. So you'll be there by 9 to 10. Do a clean job. Right.
This guy's set too. Huh? Who is he and how much is involved?
Well, we hacked a dollar account of a petroleum minister. Over $200 million. I did the whole work. But this nigga wants to clear the whole money, including my own cut. So I want everything. He will be with a girl in the bar. So once you get there, I booked a room 512 and a 513.
So all you need to do, just move in once you hear my call. Then we strike.
That's the master key. So, do a clean job. You know what to do.
This no be small picking work. It's a very risky one. No put me for trouble.
No, they talk like that now. You know what to do. I mean, put up a cap, wear glasses and all that. Just mask yourself. You know? Once you get there, just tell the receptionist that the room 513 is for you, and then your name is Chinwendo, Nurse Chinwendo. You're from Enugu. I don't need to teach you this job. You know what to do.
Bad guy special.
It is not my fault.
But you're a bad guy, Sha. Considering the fact that this is a very risky job, what's my cut?
You know I'm not greedy. I'll do you
well. So he says he will do me well. So you go do me well.
Come on.
Do not mix pleasure with business. Considering the nature of this job and the fact that it is a very risky one, I go take 20% or we'll not get deal.
You know what I can do? You don't have problem. Beauty.
I don't think you may open laundry shop because you and laundry man no difference. I say they wash human being, they wash me, they iron me, they dry clean me.
I don't need to teach you this job. 20% is not a problem. I know what to do. We're talking about big money here.
Just you talk like the person. Bad
Am
guy.
I not the better person?
Bad guy. Bad guy.
Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I'm name, uche gị dịkwa ya ọfụma. Greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in ebukwa nebu.
Yeah. Hello. Dan. I know you're there. Dan, talk to me.
Hello. I just want to...
Oh, my strawberry. Oh, my strawberry. You know I love you so much.
I just want to thank you for the other day.
It's all right. Can I see you? I want to see you, please.
No, that's not possible. I am busy. And I am a married woman now, Kelly.
Come on, stop that now. Eh? My mom wants to see you. She keeps asking after you. Eh? Please don't turn her down.
I'll think about it.
If I'm name, uche gị dịkwa ya ọfụma. Greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in ebukwa nebu. Because life is a seed. Whatever you say, you shall. This life is a seed.
Hello? You know, we've been watching you since. You know, the smile, and I'm wondering where that is coming from. What's going on?
It's just memories.
What's up?
Okay.
Where is the car key?
Are you two about to go out without me?
No, just want to clean the car.
Okay. The keys right there.
I'll get it first.
Because life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. Whatever you say, you share. Whatever you say, you share.
Your food. Open it when you're ready.
You see? If you behave like this, we wouldn't have problem.
Oh, John, don't sit like this with English.
What do you expect, eh? You have to wait, eh? Oh, my wife. If you behave like this, why would I be complaining?
You like the food?
The food is fantabulous.
Off to church, a nice video.
What did you just say?
Going to church.
Mother Teresa. Mary Magdalene.
Sister Gina.
Sister Gina.
Sir?
Since when did you start going to church? Come to think of all-night service.
Marrying a bully like you is enough for me to pray morning, afternoon, night. In fact, it's even enough for me to become a prophetess. If not, high blood pressure will kill my enemy, not me.
Prophetess Gigi.
Sir?
My wife is now a prophetess. Anyways, today is Wednesday, meaning ladies' night. You should have just told me you are going to ball. You're going to flex. I will understand that saying I am going for night service. Anyways, if you go, on your way back, you come back with Hennessy, eh?
On my way, we are coming back. I should bring back Hennessy.
Hennessy.
While you look after the house.
I want Jack Daniels.
Or Jack Daniels. And it's sure Jack Daniels should bring it back.
EJ.
It's not only Jack Daniels I'll come back with. I'm going to come back with 10 liters of anointing oil to wash this your head. Because you need deliverance. Poor man, you want to watch over the house with your tie trouser. Mba, it's not only Jack Daniels. I beg you. And it's your Jack Daniels.
On all-night service. Going to all-night service. Go and have fun. Look at her, very wayward. I don't know. Did I was you on the Wednesday I got married to this young man, or was you on the Tuesday? You have suffered though. No, I should even give me water.
Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I'm check it, the boy of greediness in the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you say, you share. Whatever you say, you share. Whatever you say, you share. Why can't you build yourself? What are you looking for outside you? Why can't you control your emotion? Cause you are born with the seed of success and happiness inside you. Why can't you build yourself?
No one touches my girl, and no one can have her except me.
Your dreams are the seed of change in your life. If I believe in you check it the way of my greediness is the killer. Appreciate your God for waiting He give you. Greediness in a because life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. This life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Life is a seed. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share. Whatever you sow, you share.
How did he go?
Check it out for yourself.
What? That's why I love you, baby. You are too much.
My cut. I gotta bounce.
You know, say I know they talk anyhow. That's how I talk am. That's how I dey do am. Hey. I know they just talk anyhow. Anything when I talk, not so you dey.
My guy.
Spiritual.
See you, man.
Listen, I think it's the best for you to stay and then leave tomorrow for security. You need to watch your back. You know what you have is spirit. Money is spirit, and spirit is money. So, where are you going to?
Make I watch African magic for down first, take reason some things, you know?
You won't watch African magic.
I won't watch African magic.
Go and watch African magic.
But guys, special.
Money is spirit. Spirit is money.
Why will you shout at me in front of our daughter?
Why wouldn't I shout at you, David? When you obviously prefer your students to your Princess Diana.
But you know it's not true.
It is true. David, what is the matter with you? You come home exhausted lately. 3 months gone and you haven't touched me, your wife. Have I complained? No. And then last night you said you would join me in the bedroom. You sat here for hours. You didn't come upstairs till I slept off. And then this morning you want to get a hug? You want me to be all smiles?